Owusu Bempah ye MPP for Prophet. Awo no de asofo ni bi edi omo ho esiesie. Papa bi wo ha me bisan sesi ase party be na wo de obeka kire me se oni party but ye Owusu Bempah de wonu de oyi nanim pefe se oye prophet ma MPP fu a onu omo hwibo mansem a okeka de ano odin nene prophet ejana so dem ekeka nsem bi a saa asem we mehia sofo na me na atwetwe nkomo ma ye viewers nso enya asentrase wo de asa na ye be trase asi nkonwa no ma me ye nhwe video no kakra emrasia.
We started a year. Badu Kobi has prophesied. I said Donald Trump, America, they will lose jobs.
Na say Nana Akufo Addo, why am I corrupt? Was Scαm me da. O ma da dam so besima so da ma wo si. Mentim ba bi no no abekansa. Ana no de OSP no and all you man. And all to me. I know the Yammy very mamma, and we are Boshe. A two Boshe and count. Rabia. Go for much more than do. And the special prosecutor no only mean prosecuting an Akufo Addo. A bad day on. Come see a prosecutor Munina. Media for Agrona Media, Mr. Mohana Marco Church or some. Benim san na Akufo Addo onye boni bia obia betimia but ono we madam fo dia say ma fe no me hu na che nento ono se so we so for we na Akufo Addo we but tu kan e momom yanka na Akufo Addo ni trimo odin o entiampa wo hwe nyame ani mpa wa mfimi ade afira konya no so akwa trimo odene kanya sister tena pa ana me fere no pa kanana Akufo Addo ai akwatri mo den osofo in fact the true mod osofo we de mom yan kan kura kwa papa ni true mod den amen mpa ya boma ni nyina braye sofo se ma sa okai o ma pani ni da bia me kan de me kan ne se wo hyebo senka ya sori anka obebo ayen nanka ye bat eno kra de ha me because nyame adom ye nyame adom ye be ye ya de ye mfa ye ho ntu ni paso.
A certain gentleman met me some few weeks ago. Said, Daddy, so when they are calling you NDC prophet, how did you feel? I said, I felt good. Then I asked him, do you know why? NDC is also an organization in life. When God says stand here, you stand there. God told me, and in 2016, he told me what he told me. And so I stood where I stood. And I was wiser than those fools who were misbehaving. The Ghana will have calipo. And now, last week, they come back and say, hey, you scammed us. They scammed your family. You were waiting for a political party to build auditorium for you. What kind of man of God are you? Sheep man. And now you come and say, the president scammed me. What a shame to even let this come from your mouth. No president helped me. I built my auditorium. No president helped Badu Kobi. He built his auditorium. No president helped other men of God. They built that. Only you want a politician to build for you. What a shameful man. Disgraceful man. You are getting money, buying cars, doing nonsense things. You won't build auditorium, waiting for a political party. What a shame. Build a place for God to dwell. You are buying cars. And then you are waiting for the president. Any politician who make a mistake and give such man of God money, they will live under curse. Useless man. I'm on the social media, so I'm saying for them to hear. Who born dog. And his followers will never say something which is right. Nonsense. And then they come and say, Badu Kobi is low in prophecy, no problem. Those who sat and spoke, I prophesied all of them. Go and ask Abeku Santana. Badu Kobi spoke to one of these guys, and he went into Abeku Santana. It happened. I'm mentioning Abeku Santana. Abeku Santana came with Ohima Mercy and husband Isaac Chumampofo to my office, and Abeku Santana came to say thank you. If for this not prophecy, I would have died. DSP or it's now ACP. What's the name? The one who sings. Kofi what? Sapon. You were here in this room when I prophesied about his death. And he had the accident. The car was removed, the top was removed. He came out. He rushed here to thank God. Who are they talking about? Your man of God, only election, he rushed. Say, this one will win. I know where he gets his thing from. Let them challenge me. The way I'll prove something to them, they won't stop. They will not be able to talk again. We started a year. Badu Kobi has prophesied. I said Donald Trump, America, they will lose jobs. Is it not happening or not? Go and check. Let the man of God bring his prophecy for the year and let's see what, even if one has happened. They speak nonsense and I look at them and I laugh. I say, you people, you are fools. And when I say that, then they don't know what to do than to insult Badu Kobi. You can't insult me. I'm beyond insult. You've insulted me over the years. I'm still here. Which insult again? You've insulted me over and over. Badu Kobi, I'm still here. Which insult can kill me? And you learn sense and you are still insulted. I don't care. I will always say the truth. Because some of us, after years, we say, what a foolish kind of thing is this?
Any penny na Ghana for nyina nipa dodo na eka se Mampani Akufo Addo ni timo odin yi a amembo we mebu ni yi nipa ehun so sa na nne Rev Owusu Bempah ye di yenim se oye MPP twotwomutwo wono so agane altar so aka asem na eye Ghana for kan bi Prophet Owusu Bempah so aka bia se wom ye behia mu nkyiremu efi eye Apostle George Wonder to say JP ewa ha say na sorry de Restore Mandate Global Revival Ministry ewo Agape Park. Papa ha papa kwaba.
Yeah, me there.
Papa say we share video no. We say video we are no she.
Oh, it's one of those.
Internet is why she.
It's one of those things.
Wow.
Yes, I never back no be it.
Papa say obi abeka bibi say ankan ye Prophet Owusu Bempah.
Near kama minchia Restore Mandate Global Ministries for you now. I mean, tia ya chef for our Attention TV. Any Ghana for you now as well. I think say at long runs, come and see the battle has ended. So, Owusu Bempah na sema wakano. I say all these three, but he's speaking out of pain.
Yeah, out of pain.
Out of pain. When he said, "Be all serena, ya grown all day."
But all
can't say me and the year,
okay.
Because Bible says no me can't do anything who to ne pada send so.
Inti baba pa just say no me first. I can't. Ya Rev Owusu Bempah.
I can.
As I cross what to us.
As I cross Matthias. Because no, nipa be share obo. But nipa ntimi ndi ni bo share so. Wow. Se nyame kan nipa na akoma se nipa no nye emma wa ordinary no beka na so ntimi nye ma nye yi. But as a pastor no need not to rely on somebody's promise. Oh, Messi was already down ma. Me say ama, me to asase ama. Sa channel we I've passed through these things. Obetimi ba oh so for we dey ko pass asase betu asase oba ko hu asase do kra ofere do kra. So my public embek announce say now welcome because all these things no eba na abehye wo komode eba ema wo hu no say enye nipa ene beye ne nyame afra wo say beye so I just say nti nyame afra wo say be sina sorry dan he have the people around you will build a church. Because me catch me church say Yankof Bobby Sian to be sorry. Yeah. I will not borrow to buy anything for God. If God does not bring it. So what I say. Until who saw sorry them say, oh who bibi say ade be here sorry. No one to me and amba me nyeska me wa kota besi wo. As a pastor, if I have money I will go and buy it and come and put because me say here sorry no. It is how they will see when you are fra hu hwea. I say your boss I catch say yeah fundraising no because the problem of the church they say we need to teach the people that follow us to understand the benefit of giving and the benefit of building the church. If fasodie was a wo si nyame asori dan. If fasodie was a wo di bua nyame asori.
Into giving no benefits.
There's a lot of benefits.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but in fasode bebre wo mu a enye ne nipa be ka kire wona na se ne sofo no be ka kire ne be kire se oh ne sofo no kan se me ye we a we beba me ye we a we beba. But if you give bi wo ho a wo be ma sa giving no before wo be free fee no ka kra wo akofa akoba bi a wo kọ no bo se na ka no ato agya wo car me no be power ho but we be joining the third car before we be do we be a wo kọ no we be share the first car no adwane agya wo no to gya wo no say wanya accident.
Wow.
So these are some of the benefits you may not know.
Nti asa brabo ma ye pray
who bebre. Okay. One day we my cousin we bizam say na so for dance we here through can so ye this of sana. Because now Akufo no pray car no na me gina echi no koja me kwan.
Yeah.
E na me gina echi na me hwe omo through car no.
Okay.
E dey you say no so for yeli ho no lole call ho no efita hilo. So what I say. So sometimes you know ye di kan so for penny no say ordinary ko share Akufo Addo mo.
Especially
politics. Oh no, not the political way, but ordinary share president no because of Anwa Bobia or boy yeah. Wow. So to me no, when you vow or when you promise o the bar fine one fan bar when you mean myself. So what I say because also be see what sorry damn now. Na would your share o boy in person say mercy sorry damn. Wa hye Nyankopon so bo so be si cathedral ma no. Nyame de no kura wansi no obesi wo de. Nyankopon de no kura o hye.
Nyankopon de no kura wantimi.
Wantimi ensi na wo de ketu a obesi ama. Wa wo ye nipa. Emaso etimi nya yie because anka wantimi esi nyame de na wie a e na obesi wo de na ma because na o calculate say to my mind no e bia na o calculate say o se nyame de no wi ansisa no ebeka no no da ba wi odi no na so e bia sisa anka
enti prophet maybe say because of all this bosha o mampani Akufo Addo ko share Rev Owusu Bempah ntina wo so ke kansam akese pa fa eye the other party enu ntina wo yes ana nsam I say bi wom e bi ni ma sufu adaka ma yesi enu ntina wo yes ana na o expectation bi
one say maybe bebre no the problem nipa das ne bia wo sika ena nipa bia wo ma sika de wani ma wo yi ade a kire wo nu hu se waye money is
the root of
it's not money is not the answer of everything but wisdom.
Okay.
Nipa bebre adwana jasika wo akire nipa bebre adwana ja wanhira wo akire because oma sika no di nanim kan it is a de bia oma sika di obi say oh yenko ya ade sika wo mu you are not working for life, you are just working for money. But when you work for life, money will follow it.
Okay.
So the problem most pastors, most leaders, most people are dying because they allow money to go ahead of them than the most thing they're supposed to do.
Okay.
It is a journey was a canoe who they are and a DBA will catch up with corruption.
Wow.
So I say Akufo Addo are corrupt no. Akufo Addo are this CV no.
Yeah. On
this CV because the when who adwen kura o. Nti ohun adwen no e say o ka kire say oh sika.
Akufo Addo